Hello again, everybody. This is Brother Chooch thinking out loud about the end times. We made a video for you to consider all the natural disasters that have occurred from the middle of 2017 to current. The reason why we started in the middle of 2017 is because that is the year that we had both the Great American Solar Eclipse and also, as we all know, the Revelation 12 sign. We wanted to present this video because if you are a person who watches, one of the things that seems to jump out at us is when a natural disaster occurs. Probably because we link it to birth pangs that Jesus spoke about on the Olivet Discourse, when he spoke of earthquakes in diverse places and such things as pestilences and other things that would be taking place at the end. For you to consider is that, are these particular clips that we're going to show you on the natural disasters that have occurred, are they just simply coincidental? And this has been something that's been occurring since modern man has taken records of natural disasters? Or is this connected to the end times and has to do with birth pangs? Are the natural disasters getting more severe? Are they getting worse? Are they becoming more frequent? This is something that you yourself need to examine. I'm hoping that this video that you find informative and that it gives you some information, and I would encourage you to do more research, some information to be able to answer that question, if indeed these events have to do with us approaching the end of the age. I hope you enjoy this video, but I also hope that you watch with a sober eye and mind and heart about what calamities and lives that have been lost and difficult situations that various people groups and countries have endured in the past several years. We believe that it's eye-opening, and regardless of how you evaluate this, it does speak of a world that has been affected by sin, and many, many lives have been lost because of these disasters. Hopefully, you'll get a little bit clearer view of how you put this into relation of how the end times are starting to unfold, even in this day. Thank you for watching these clips. I hope you enjoy it, and please leave a comment down below after you're done watching.